We become what we are, not what we want. It means we cannot become what we want by remaining what we are. We need to bring changes in our lives, in our personality. Then only we can manifest things effortlessly. It has simple formula. When our thoughts, feeling, belief and action will be on the same page, things will be manifested. Today, I'll share few ways to manifest things in our lives. Before telling about clear intention and set goals, I would like to thank Meraki for sending these beautiful products. This is a journal kit. Later, I will talk about these products in detail. Before start manifesting anything, you should have clear vision about your life, your goals. What profession you want to get into, how much salary you want, how your house will be, how your health will be, etc. in detail. Once you have clear idea, write down those things you want to manifest in 2023. Along with this, write down those actions you need to take. And start taking small steps each day towards your goal. Visualization is a practice of imagination what you want to achieve in future. Scientific research says our brain doesn't know the difference between real incident and imaginary incident. As Dr. Joe Dispenza says, thoughts are the language of the brain and feeling is the language of our body. And how you think and feel create your state of being. When you start feeling our future, our brain starts to change. Motor cortex starts working accordingly and we manifest things effortlessly. So spend 30 minutes every day to visualize your ideal life. And while visualizing, not only you should think, but your body should feel the future, how it will be when you will achieve that future. Where your attention goes, your energy flows. If you focus on negative things, it will grow and manifest in your life. You put your energy into something positive, it will grow and manifest. So start shifting your focus into positive things by practicing gratitude every day. How many times you felt grateful for your house, your laptop, food, etc. Your life may be some other's dream life. So start appreciating things in life you can manifest more. This is the perfect journal for those who don't know how to write gratitude or how to feel grateful. This will teach you how to start your day with gratitude and end of the day how to feel grateful for what you have, even the day was not good. You are the sum of the people around you. When you are surrounded by negative people, those gossips, jealousy, judgmental attitude won't let you grow in your life. It is simple. Surrounded by complainers will encourage you to complain. But when you spend time with positive people, you share your goal values with them, they will help you to grow in your journey. Self-talk or inner voice with thoughts create our belief, and our belief creates feeling. As earlier I said, when our thought, belief, feelings and action will be on the same page, things will be manifested. Our beliefs defines what we are. Continuous negative self-talk creates low esteem, distrust, doubt, etc. So it is extremely important that self-talk, what you are telling to yourself, has to be positive. Replace I can't do it with I will try my best. This affirmation journal has lots of affirmations which will help you to build positive mindset. You can write this too. Anything is possible. This strong belief will come when you will practice positive self-talk and affirmation every day. If you are following me for a long time, you know that every day I write future writing journal. I write about the life I want to live in detail. My profession, my income, my health, my relationship with my partner, everything I include in this journal. When you write it every day, you know what exactly you want from your life, and it becomes very easy to take any actions. Vision board is a compilation of your goals. Those images, words, quotes will help you to visualize and achieve your goals. After getting up in the morning every day, when you see it, you know your purpose of the day. It excites you to work towards your goal. The myth is when you are manifesting something, you can't think negative. But this is not a true. We are human beings. Few things are not in our hand. It is extremely natural that negative thoughts will come. No one can stay positive for 24/7. But the question is how long you are dwelling on the negative thoughts. A simple trick I follow while manifesting: when negative thoughts come and I almost start believing that this is not working, I am not able to manifest, that time I change my thought from it won't happen to it can happen. When you start telling yourself that there is a slight possibility to achieve that goal, you are not having 100% negative thoughts. When you can't think positive, you can focus on can or maybe, which is better than negative words like not possible or won't happen. Pay attention to your thoughts, feelings, belief, and action. And you are practicing these steps, you are going to manifest things in your life. I hope you like this video. If you have any suggestion or queries, please comment down below. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.